Hello,
Hi,
how are you?
I'm fine.
What is your name?
My name is Risali.
Could you tell me something about yourself?
Yes. My name is Risali. I am 7 years. My date of birth is 13 November. I am studying class 3.
Can you tell me something about your family?
Our is a small family. There are 4 members in my family. My father, my mother, and beside me and my sister.
Could you tell me something about your father?
My father name is Arun Banjare. He is 36-year-old. He is hardworking man.
Could you tell me something about your mother?
My mother name is Mamta Banjare. She is kind. She is 39-year-old.
Okay. Do you have sibling?
Yes, I have a sister.
Could you tell me something about your sister?
My sister name is Ujjwala Banjare. She is kind girl. She is 9-year-old.
Do you have friend?
Yes, I have a friend.
Can you tell me something about your friend?
My friend name is Vibhav Nayak. She is class 3 student. She is 7-year-old.
Okay. Can you tell me something about your daily routine?
I wake up at 6 o'clock, then I brush my teeth, then I go to tuition, then I come to tuition, then I go to school, then I come to school, then I go to advanced school in English, then I come to advanced school in English, then I eat a snack.
Okay, thanks.
Nice.
Nice to meet you. That's all about our conversation.